get a couple days to think about it. Well, we get a lot more than a couple days we can think about these things now, that's for sure. Doing your best means to take action on your ideas. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon that idea, there'd be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 408, NASDAQ off 157, S&P's down 51, gold contract up $10, trading at $16.47 an ounce. You get silver down 17 cents, $14.47 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $3, trading $28.44 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year down. 10-year up 5 ticks, 139.02. The 30-year up 21 ticks at 182.06 in King Dollar. King Dollar's up 396, trading at 100.570. The euro is at 108. The yen is at 108.32, and the British pound is at 122 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go over to the SPY first. We take a look at the SPY. This is what's happening in the SPY. Bottom line, folks, you get markets pushing down, pushing lower. Volume is contracting in a huge way. Okay, so we take a look at this S&P, right, the SPY right now. What you're going to see is this. When we came down on Wednesday, bottom line, well, yeah, let's go back to Tuesday first, because if you want to see just how, like, markets react and act, folks, okay, this is a pretty clear sign of what we have. So on Tuesday, the bottom line is that we're trying to make it over the highs that were generated the prior week. That high of 262.80 had volume of 257 million. We went sideways for a couple days. On Tuesday, it took it out, and then it failed on price and volume. What does that mean when it fails on price and volume? It means that it gets over the high, which it did, it closed underneath it, which it did, and it had lighter volume. We had 194 million shares versus 257. That means there's not enough buyers. Okay, so now what do? Bottom line, most times when that happens, you back down. As you back down, now this is where it's going to get interesting. And the question is, are you still strong like a bull again today, Tom? Yes, I am. Big time, too. And I'll show you why. So as we back down, what do? On Tuesday, you do volume of 189 million. Well, the 189 million is going against 299. So the correlation there is that you don't have a lot of sellers. Yesterday, we backed down 177 million, another contraction. Today is a monster contraction, folks, okay? The bottom line is that you get, 40 minutes left inside trading the SPY, and right now we're only at 89 million versus yesterday of 177 versus the prior day of 189. So my take there is that, guess what? This thing still wants higher price. Gold contract out here. We take a look at gold, and I'll bring the futures up in a second so we can look at those as we're going through the next 40 minutes, 50 minutes coming into this close. Gold contract up $10.80 out here. Bottom line is that you now have broken this. Yeah, let me just look at this. I believe we broke that downtrend that was in place for about a week and a half. Let me just see. Yeah, we broke it. So you came up to it yesterday. The bottom line, you broke it. Gold's now wants to go make the run once again for the 1,700 mark. Right now, you're at 1648. If we go take a look at a few of the gold equities, you got Barrick Gold. Barrick Gold, folks, is the first one that stuck its head up. It's a confirmed ABC structure in the way up. Took out the B point yesterday. The B point in Barrick is $20.18. Your A point is down there is $10, I think. Yeah, 14. So you get a 6-point A to B approximately. That's going to get you up to $24. And right now, Barrick Gold is trading at $19.99. Let's get over and take a look at the E-minis as we're doing this baby live out here. So inside the E-minis out here, ESM, because this is going to be a wild 40 minutes coming into this close here. Okay, so all day long, folks, bottom line, you're selling all day long. We had reached our high this morning out here. That was at 10 o'clock this morning. Inside the future markets, E-mini S&P, that's 25.29. Bottom line, you went all the way straight down, and we got into that low of 24.49. That was established at about 2 o'clock. Now, That low there had 26,000 contracts. Well, the 26,000 contracts were going against 55,000 as well as 78. So the bottom line, when you take a look at that aspect, is that wants higher price. We just got the pop up to this 24. There it is. Yeah, 24.79. It backed down once again. We'll see how these bulls and bears are going to fight it out coming into it. That's a nice pop, and that pop did have volume behind it, folks. We'll get over and we take a look at the NQs out here, because the NQs can always basically give you a hint as to how strong this market's going to be. NQs did the same type of setup, when we selling all day. In fact, this is interesting. So the NQs did have a little buy-in between noon and 1, but bottom line, sold it down. Just got the pop. The pop that we just got is with volume. So when you get those pops that are with volume, folks, the bottom line is saying that you get the buy coming in. They came in fast and furious. You're backing down. What I've seen more than anything is that when you have the pops, they have the volume behind them. Guess what? It's not the last pop you're going to get. Why? Because most large players, they'll come in 2, 3, 4 times. They're basically testing that market, seeing if they can drive that market. And I think that was that first test as to driving that market as we come into the close on this Friday. Dow right now is down to 380. We get the NASDAQ off 146. S&Ps are down 45. King dollar, you can see that correlation. Bottom line is that when King dollar goes up, bottom line, the S&P just can't handle it. Stay right there, folks. When we come back with our man, Mr. Basil Chapman, we're going to be talking markets. Basil's going to be doing a workshop, intraday workshop, live intraday workshop, folks, April 15th. Check it out right in the front page of TFNN. Come right back.
Hi folks, Tom O'Brien here. If you'd like to get my daily newsletter, Market Insights, then now is a great time to sign up for a 30-day free trial. Every morning by 9:30, I send out my morning letter to subscribers with market commentary on a variety of markets